rahmatullah. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to start a short video series about the training of class light features. Let me introduce myself first. I am Rafaqat Ali and I'm serving Success International School as a mathematics teacher. And today my supervisor gave me the assignment to make a video about how to upload the lesson for the students in every grade. There is so many features. First of all, this is your account, and on your sorry, on your desktop you can find out your courses. I am currently teaching grade 8, 9 and 12. So there are so many features. One by one we will go to every, but right now on page 2 we have the feature course material. So we will click that course material or create the course material, and just you will find out a new video, new slide. Here we can upload any file lesson. So first of all, let me give a title to the lesson. Today is actually week 15 and third lesson we deliver to the class. So lesson 3, week 15, and grade 9 we studied here surface area of cylinder. That was the topic. So minimal details should be entered here for, and you can use that title also as description, and if you add more in detail, so it is much better to explain the things here. It is up to you. And the next one is you must select the language here, Arabic, French or English, because in our school we are taking as English, Arabic and French. So that's why my subject is in English, so I'm choosing English as a subject language. Sorry. So next one, 5. Go ahead and it will take me to the lesson file grade 9 surface area, lesson 3 grade 9 mathematics, week 15 surface area. So select that, upload it. It is not possible, you know why? Because it's open already, so I have to shut down this file, then it will be able to upload. Okay, upload that file. Within seconds you can upload this, and if you want to choose the cover page for that, there is way to choose the cover page. You can open the file and or you can adopt any hook image. Let's say, for example, I can take this hook image and paste over there. I cannot, let me see, I can open the crop here, capture, good. I was thinking that if I will start snipping tool again for cropping the picture, my recording will stop, but it's working, alhamdulillah. So now minimize it, and where that screenshot is saved, so you can choose that screenshot. It is optional, it is not compulsory, so you can skip that step or even not compulsory. So there I am getting my screenshots. So let's see where it is. It should be at the end. For example, I'm selecting that screenshot. So open that screenshot that will be used as the cover page. After that, publish date. This is the important thing. Publish date. Let's say I'm publishing it today at 7. So this one, the content type is iBook, means that content type is PowerPoint or PDF or whatever you can say that. So there is no need to go with it in detail, sharing the content, sharing on your timeline, okay? And with your school, and share this content in custom libraries. I have no idea about this, what it is. Here you can use different tags if you have time. Utilize your time and you can add the tags there. So I will add the tag only mathematics grade 9A and 9B, because 9C is not with me, so that's why 9A and B. And after that, this section is important. Publish two sections means if you want to publish two sections, select all sections or the different sections. So I am selecting, like for example, only 8C. I filled the above with all grade 9, and actually I am working in grade 8. Unfortunately, but it's a tutorial video. It's okay. You will, I'm not going to upload because this lesson I have uploaded already. Just we are making a video. So publish to students. If you want to publish to the students by name, so by name you can, if you want to share only with 5 or 6 students or 10 students, so by name you can select from here, or by the groups. I have made a group here. So this is my superstar group, selected students for extra activities. Just I will select that and upload. Otherwise here I could select the number of students, 6, 7, 8, 10, whatever, then just upload it. And after that, the first option is publish to sections. Just if we want to publish to all sections of grade 8, select that, or either you can use one section as for lesson upload. At the end, just upload, so that file will be delivered to the students. Thank you very much, and thanks for your patience. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.